So welcome all of you. Vapor pressure means pressure exerted by the vapors of any liquid on its surface in a closed container at a particular temperature. Of course, it is also called saturated vapor pressure. It represents equilibrium vapor pressure when the rate of evaporation is equal to rate of condensation in a closed container. Now, liquids which exert higher vapor pressures are called volatile liquids, and they have lower boiling points. Now, what do we mean by normal boiling point? Temperature where vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to one atmosphere pressure, that is external pressure. But standard boiling point is a temperature where vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to 1 bar. Normal boiling point of water, as you know, is 100 degrees centigrade, whereas the standard boiling point is 99.6, let us suppose. So the standard boiling point and the normal boiling point are different. Now, the curve which is plotted for variation in vapor pressure with the temperature is called vapor pressure curves, and the temperature where this vapor pressure is causing this atmospheric pressure 1760 millimeter mercury is called its boiling point. For alcohol, ethyl alcohol, it is 78 degrees centigrade. For water, it can be like 100 degrees centigrade, so on. Hydrogen bonding and all would increase the boiling point, and the liquids have stronger intermolecular attractions because of which they have a different volume. Still, the molecules can easily move about as they can flow like gases. Both gases and liquids, as you know, are called fluids. Now here my interest is to talk briefly about the vapor pressure. Normally, if I take a liquid in an open container, the surface layers undergo vaporization. At boiling point, the vaporization happens from the entire bulk of the liquid. Now, in a closed container, if I take water, at what temperature it boils? It will never boil. In a closed container, slowly, the vapor pressure increases on the surface. As the pressure increases, there will be a certain temperature called critical temperature. At that temperature, the boundary on the liquid surface will disappear. Everything will look like a husky or cloudy material. A temperature where the surface of a liquid will vanish. When you heat any liquid in a closed container, it is called as critical temperature. Now, we are looking at the effect of intermolecular forces on boiling point. The intermolecular attractions are very strong. As we see in the case of water, boiling point is greatly increased. Now, when I go to the surface, top of a mountain, in the top of a mountain, external pressure is very low. Therefore, liquids boil at a lower temperature. When you are cooking food in a closed container like in a pressure cooker, the boiling point of water increases, so foods get cooked rapidly. in surgical apparatus are generally heated in autoclaves, which are closed where the boiling points of liquids go to a higher level so that there will be effective sterilization. Many other factors, nature of the interactive bonds between the molecules, the presence of impurities, etc. can influence the vapor pressure. Beyond this, we don't talk about vapor pressure at this point of time. I hope you understood it. Thank you.